Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to export video messages from public groups on the Telegram app right on your PC after the new update. If you've ever wanted to save those short video chats and keep them organized outside of Telegram, this method will help you do it step by step. The process is simple, but you just need to know where to look. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Once the app is open, go straight to the top left corner of the screen and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This is where the main menu is hidden, and from here, you'll have access to all the settings you need. Next, from the menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, scroll until you find the option labeled Advanced. This is where Telegram offers more in-depth tools, and it's where the export option is now located. Once you're inside Advanced, scroll down until you see Export Telegram Data. This feature allows you to back up and download different categories of your information. To stay focused, you'll want to limit what gets exported. So, when the list of choices appears, make sure only Public Groups is selected. After choosing Public Groups, keep scrolling down the options until you spot Video Messages. Place a check mark next to it. That way, Telegram knows you only want video messages from your public groups, and not an entire backup of everything else. Now that your preferences are set, click on Export. Depending on how much data you have, it may take a few moments for Telegram to prepare your files. Be patient, because once it's complete, this will give you direct access to download what you need. When the exporting process finishes, you'll see the option Show My Data. Click on it, and this will open the folder containing all of your exported video messages neatly stored on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported video messages from Telegram's public groups using the latest update. With these steps, you'll always have an easy way to save and revisit your favorite clips without having to scroll through endless chat histories inside the app.